Welcome to Royal Tech. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set an iPhone ringtone on your Android device. Whether you're an Android enthusiast or just curious, stay tuned for this quick and easy process. This tutorial is valuable for Android users looking to personalize their devices with the iconic iPhone ringtone, giving their Android phones a touch of iOS style and familiarity. Step 1. Open the Play Store. Step 2. Search Zedge wallpaper and ringtone. Step 3. Download Zedge wallpaper and ringtone app. Step 4. Open Zedge app. Step 5. Click the ringtone option. Step 6. Select iPhone ringtone. Step 7. Click download option and set ringtone. Thank you all viewers for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up and like, subscribe, and share the video. For more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.